The Cosquilla Pouch comes in 4 different sizes. And the great thing about this project is once it's finished, you can see all of the items that you're putting on the inside because it features clear vinyl on both the front and the back of the pouch. Let me show you what it looks like in the overhead view. This is size large of the Cosquilla Pouch, and as you can see, the front of the pouch has a zipper and storage space for some items, and then the main portion is a much larger compartment. Basically, this is the whole inside of the pouch. So there's 2 zippers on this pouch. There's a handle, and I just think it's great, especially with all the different sizes. Because of the clear vinyl, the front and the back will be wipeable, and the bottom portion is quilted. So you'll be quilting that in the pattern instructions and video as well. The instructional video for the Cosquilla Pouch is 1 hour and 15 minutes long.